Yo guys, before we get started with this video, I want to make a really quick announcement. First off, I'm a few days ahead of the video you guys are watching right now, so if you see something behind me, it spoils it, well, just give you some good news and something to look forward to. But this weekend, Victoria and I are going on a vacation for her birthday. So what I'm doing is I've been working really hard. I've been filming every single day, and I'm actually uploading every other day so that I don't have some really awkward gap in my channel, like it looks like I'm taking a break or it looks like I quit or something like that. So I'm only gonna be uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today is Wednesday. You'll get another video on Friday with some really sick news. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. We'll be in New York, but we're not gonna be doing any meetups or anything like that. Look over my shoulder right now, you'll see some really good stuff. It's really exciting. Well, that's up for you to decide, I guess. But anyways, go ahead and enjoy the video for some more nice memes and some good times on the Evo 10. We're so close, we're so close. So to recap, hi, I'm Evan. What we've done so far is basically we've disassembled and taken out basically everything that is not the engine. And Austin and I today, we did the fuel system. So we've got a radium fuel rail and a full Deechworks fuel system, and we are trying to make some moves today. As I did yesterday, I tried to get as much stuff off the motor as possible, but the turbo and the exhaust manifold were pretty much seized on there, so I had to soak it in PB Blaster overnight, and hopefully that worked. So right now we've got to get the downpipe off, manifold off, turbo off. Hopefully we're gonna get the engine completely done, and we might even be able to mount. You're really listening to country music up there right now? Super loud. I gotta really honestly listen to that. White people are so annoying. We're gonna get this. I wanna try and get the exhaust manifold on and maybe even the turbo put on today. We'll see. Austin and I gonna be tag teaming, getting this Evo done, making some dadgum moves, brother. White people. Having any luck reaching anything down there? Yeah, so I took off the top manifold bolts, but the problem is there's like some bolts deep under here. Mountain Goat Austin is up here, trying to figure it out. Because it's super hard to reach, I'm gonna go ahead and hop under the car and try and get these downpipe bolts off of here. They were really not moving yesterday, but they soaked in PB, so we should be okay. Oh my God. That sounds awesome. Oh. Okay. That sounds like a fart. He's better than me, so it's fine. Now after we get the downpipe off, we should be able to just get the turbo right out, and then this should give us a lot of exposure to the exhaust manifold. So at this point we've got the downpipe off, or at least the lower portion of the downpipe. Now we just have a little bit of an issue getting some bolts off of this. This little piece right here will come off of the exhaust manifold, and the whole turbo should just drop down. I'm gonna give you guys a little something to look forward to. I showed you guys this a couple videos ago. We have got some serious goodies to go on, and this is the exhaust manifold, and I'm so excited about this. It's gonna look so tight. And also joining us now, I forgot to have him say hi to the camera, but you got your bro Chris over here, helping with the car, helping get the turbo on today. And he's got his WRX. If you guys remember, we did some stuff to his car. Still need to do some more to his car, but oh, you actually washed it. You did your annual car wash. Yes. Look at that, dude. That's awesome. Good on you, Chris. We still have some serious issues with this though. I'm rolling around with friends with stock height. That's never okay. All right, so we're gonna try something. We can get to the bolts on the exhaust manifold, but we don't have enough torque for them. So I have crow's feet and all that kind of stuff. It's really hard to reach them. The only thing we can use is this. So I'm going to actually file this side of the wrench down with a flapper disc and hope that we can fit it into my pipe. This pipe gives it a torque bar. So let's try it. All right, let's hope this works. Oh, it's there. It's there. Come on, Chris, push it in. All right, that wrench is officially never coming out. So we got all three on the bottom. Hopefully we get this off. If so, we're gonna celebrate. It's gonna be great.
It'll be running in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll have it running tonight. So we're, Oh my God, that's so much torque. We missed like 4. Really hard to find, but these are the last things we need to get this manifold off. It's happening tonight, boys. Yeah, baby! Let's go! Oh, thank God for torque bars. I had to give the last one a little smacker, you know, with a hammer, just because it's in a really weird place, but we got all 8 off the manifold. It's time to take it off. Update, there is like 1 bolt or something holding the turbo on and not allowing us to get the exhaust manifold off. So it's kind of a bummer and really frustrating. So we're a few hours later, still haven't figured it out. Definitely broken some tools, and we still have just not figured it out. And it was funny, we were just talking about how the Evo 8 has the exhaust manifold on the front, and this one is in the rear. I should have just bought an Evo 8, boys. Should have bought an 8 or a 9. Messed up with the 10 just because the exhaust manifold is on the rear.
Ed, I'm gonna kill your car.
Give it a little bit of wiggle. Oh my God, here it comes. Yes! It's so close. It's so close. You need me to wiggle anything? It's there.
Over here.
Oh my God, it's there, dude.
Anything on your side? I don't know. It might be out.
I think it's out. We're just stuck on wedged on something.
Find something hung up on, or
The bracket, we can't get that bolt on. Since it's straight, it's hanging up on this pipe right here.
Hey, let's go!
this car sucks. Never buy an Evo 10.
Yes, honestly. Damn, and now there's the turbos. Turbo, I'm an idiot. Wow.
Need help, Chris?
That's a nasty boy. Wait, hold up. There's something holding it onto the motor. There's a hard line, backside,
Towards the turbo?
inducer side.
It's right here. This line needs to come off right here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Hold on. Pull this out. Here's your banjo bolt. All right, the turbo needs to go down a little bit.
And then back?
That's what we need to get out. Yes, sir. Watch that coolant line. That coolant line's gonna get caught up.
Austin, watch your body.
Yeah, watch your whole body. It's literally, yeah, there you go. Oh, damn, it's so close. Move it your way. And sick, dude. Tight. That's a good sign. The water broke. Oh, wait, what was that? Damn, that was me too. Hey, I'm a little proud of myself for that one.
This won't let it come out.
What won't?
The
Wastegate? Get the wastegate off, yeah?
Just honestly, just hit it with whatever.
It's a 10 12.
this stud right here won't let it come through, so you have to kind of roll
Yeah.
it. But
Hold it right.
is there
Wow.
a passageway over here that you can get a stud through?
Go a little farther over.
That's an old Turbski, that's for sure. Induction and exduction side were V-banded together. And there it is, boys. Now let's get the hot side out, the exhaust side out. Wow. That heat shield's still in the way.
Try to come this way.
So
There's
close,
a whole
dude.
gap.
There's
Yeah.
a big gap over here. You can definitely make it.
Here you go.
You straight. Nice. Baby, let's go. Here we go. There's the old Turbski. And that's just bad. Oh man, that's exciting. Oh, we've come really far today. I couldn't have done it without my man Austin and then Chris. I'm so hyped.
Don't buy an Evo, kids.
Hey, yes, buy an Evo. So we have definitely lost some coolant down there for sure. But it's all good. We have plenty of space to work with now. I'm gonna get the header, the exhaust manifold mounted up tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know, yeah, I guess tomorrow, yeah. Get as close to running as possible. And there you go, kids. 2-day turbo install, part 1. Kind of, part 1. After filming 2 videos last night, I was literally dead, especially after all those fumes, but let me just show you this. That is a massive difference. I hope you guys are excited about this. I'm ready to get this done. It's so close. It's so close. Thanks for watching. Peace out and be victorious.